Hello everybody, this is Sophie Universe. We're going to see the pool today. Let's go.
Enemy torpedo is the water bay 200, 1,000 meters and accelerating.
Look at the pool, it's super cool. We're going to get in the pool right now. Let's see the other pool. That is the other pool. Do you like it? Let me go over there. Step. Look. It's super hot, the pool. Let's go over there. We're going to get in this pool. Let's go over there in the jacuzzi. Alright. We're going to see a movie. This is the Sun Princess ship. Look. That is a movie. We're going to get our swimsuits and go over there. Alright guys?
No, it's Spanish.
And the ones that know Spanish, we're going to do a video with Spanish, alright? ¿Cómo están todos? Este es Sophie Universe. That is Spanish. Look at the jacuzzi. We're going to get in there. I'm going to do a video when we get in there.
It's gone, sir.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Okay guys, follow for part 2.